Today, we're gonna cook some chicken with a creamy mushroom and garlic sauce and some rice. I'm gonna try, I don't know, I've never made it before, but I think it's gonna be good. We'll see. What do you wanna say?
I'm hungry.
It'll be done maybe in about an hour if we get going.
This is gonna be the best cooking stuff I've ever had, and guess what? It's gonna be yummy.
I hope so.
And we're gonna go and spend time together, and this is gonna be the best time ever.
That's nice.
Done.
Okay. All right.
I'll say something now.
Oh, one more thing.
I also love you.
Oh, I love you too. Okay, all right. Were you talking to me or the camera?
I love you too.
Okay,
And
okay.
I love you too.
Here's the chicken. Slap it down on the counter. Pound it. You want it to be even. Then you just cut them up because they're pretty big pieces, so dry them off. You always want to dry them off. Season them, salt and pepper. That's all I do. Clean up. It's good to clean up as you go. All right, now we got to dice up half an onion. Go fast. Avocado oil, a drizzle, and then add a little butter for flavor. So medium-high heat, about 3 minutes per side is all it takes. All right, turn it back on medium. Add a little more butter. We're going to put the onions in first. The butter helps get the fond off the bottom of the pan. All right, cook the onions down until they're translucent, like that. Smells good. And put the mushrooms in. Now you don't want to season it yet. If you put salt on these mushrooms before they start to brown, caramelize, they get kind of mushy. So Marcella, and then let that cook down. After you've browned the mushrooms, you add that. And that's just got to cook down for a little while. Let it reduce to about a third of the amount of liquid. Oh, and add the garlic. I meant to put the garlic in a little. Man, that smells good. It does smell good. But I put the garlic in a little late. I meant to saute the garlic a bit first. Last thing you want to do is burn the garlic, so it turned out fine. More butter, some softened cream cheese to thicken the sauce up. And add some heavy whipping cream. I just used what was left. I'm not sure how much it was. Maybe a half a cup. Maybe a cup. Add some seasonings. That's some like rosemary, I think, and some sage. I didn't have any time. I was out of time. There's never enough time. Adobo, add it to like everything. It's good. And then you want to taste it. You don't want to add too much salt, but just taste it. If it needs more, you can add it. Oh, and there's a simmer mat. That's so it doesn't burn on the bottom. You turn it down to low. Simmer mat on there. And it just simmers for a while. Let it cook down, thicken up a little more. And I don't know if that was a good idea to pour that, chicken juice, that's always good. I don't know, it looks a little ugly and it looks better before I covered them up. But, still tastes good. And there, use a rice cooker. It's easy. This turned out really good. Not as pretty as some other dishes, I guess. I really wish I don't know, maybe not put so much on top of the chicken, because the chicken looked better to me before I covered it up. Well, thanks for watching. Till next time, enjoy cooking stuff.